All available experts, please report to room A9.
Hey guys, Exo here, and welcome to Contest IDs. This is what the module will look like, and the aim of the module is simple. We're going to figure out if we're in Competition 1, Competition 2, or we're in neither. So, let's just get started. So, we're first going to look at our contestant ID, or contestant number, is what it's called here. And we're going to check the amount of batteries. And we're either going to apply the greater than 40 or less than 41 rules. We don't apply both. So, in this case, 52 is greater than 40, so we're going to follow this rule. If the amount of batteries exceeds 3, which it does, we're going to be multiplying our contestant number by 4. 52 times 4 is 208, and we can ignore this bit. And if it wasn't, we would multiply by a quarter even. And then after these steps, if the first digit of the serial number, that will be a 7 here, divisible by 4, no. If divisible by, not divisible by 4, but divisible by 2, which is not either, so we can ignore this, and we just move on to this last bit. Modulo a number by 5, which is 3, and round it for your ID. In the case of like multiplied by a quarter or a half, you might get a fractional number. Your ID must be 4 to enter competition 1 and 2 or 0 to enter competition 2. We have 3, which is neither, means we are in the quit category. We get our module. Let's do that again. 41. 41 is greater than 40, so we're going to be using this again. The batteries does exceed 3, so we multiply by 4. 41 times 4 is 164. The first digit of the serial number is divisible by 4. It's not, it's 7 again. I mean, this one is not going to apply either. So we're just going to be moduloing by 5 again. Moduloing this by 5, we get 4. 4 is one of our IDs that we can use, so we're in competition 1. Let's do one more example. 35. This is less than 41 this time. And the amount of batteries does exceed 1. When it says exceed in both these cases, it being exactly 3 or exactly 1 here does not count as exceeding it. So, the batteries does exceed 1, so we're going to multiply by 2. 35 times 2 is 70. The first digit of the serial number is 6, which is not divisible by 4, but is divisible by 2. So we're going to add 3 to this number, 73. Modulo by 5, 3. 3 is not 0, 2, or 4, so we are in the quit category again. And we get our module. In the case that we ended up getting no batteries on this rule, say if we had 31 for example, and we had less than 1 battery, then we multiply by 0.5. 31 times 0.5 is 15.5. We leave it like that until we've done all of this. Say we've had to add 3 or something. We then modulo by 5. Some calculators won't do this with a fractional number. That would just be pretending that the fraction isn't there. Moduloing this bit, so we will get to 3, and then we're going to round it. And since it's 0.5, we would round up, so we will get 4, for example. So that was contest IDs. It's quite a simple module. So hopefully this tutorial made this module clearer. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.